Hello everyone. In this video, we will walk through how to buy Glow token. My name is Curtis Brisbois. I'm happy to be here with you. I'm a co-founder at Glow. And buying Glow can actually be done in just a few simple steps. The best and fastest way to buy Glow token is through the Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a decentralized wallet that has access to decentralized applications, otherwise known as dApps or apps. Its main goal is to make cryptocurrency more accessible with an intuitive and easy to understand user interface. I already have the Trust Wallet installed and open on my device here. I hope you enjoy the quality of this video we are providing you. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You'll see we don't have any Glow token in this wallet, and we've named it. Of course, we've named it Glow Wallet. We don't have any. And one side note, by the way, if you see these asterisks, I can't. How much BNB do we have? All you got to do is tap on the amount up here, and it then shows you the amounts again. So here is our wallet. I've reloaded the application because for some reason my smart chain wasn't showing there. But now my smart chain is in the wallet. Before we really dive into getting Glow in this wallet, for those who are wondering what is Glow token, it is a deflationary reflections token with an ongoing charity. So it's deflationary, meaning it becomes more scarce over time by burning and destroying circulation, and it also has a lottery. With 10% reflections or dividends, holders are earning BUSD stablecoin like never before, and that is another thing. Glow token operates on the Binance Smart Chain and rewards reflections in BUSD. Even the 10,000 BUSD lottery is in BUSD. The project itself operates from the reflections. The team is fully doxed and open to the public about who they are, pushing for serious development in not only convenience for decentralized financing, but also striving to level up cryptocurrency security. The transparency of Glow token is unmatched. This is actually creating a new standard in the cryptocurrency realm. Glow has accomplished a lot in only a matter of even 30 days. Our team and staff look to surpass any obstacle in their way. And there's a lot going on, very exciting things happening within Glow project. But now that we're all set up with the Trust Wallet here, we're ready to buy Glow token. And in order to do that, we first need to have Binance Smart Chain. Now, Binance Smart Chain, as you can see here, we got some right here, 0.105, which is give or take basically worth $55. This is something you're going to need when you operate on Binance Smart Chain. You need Smart Chain BNB, the BEP token, to operate on the Smart Chain. This is because just like Ethereum, Binance also has gas fees. It is easy to buy Binance coin, but you need Binance Smart Chain coin in order to actually use the BSC, which is the Binance Smart Chain. Also, another reason why it's considered a BEP20 token. Ethereum cryptocurrencies are known as ERC20s. Now, you can easily buy Binance Smart Chain right on Trust Wallet with the buy button, and then you can select Smart Chain, and then you have options of third-party providers that will fulfill your order of Binance Smart Chain. They have Simplex, MoonPay, and I think there's another one. It only take a couple minutes, and I do enjoy using these services. I've used them before. But I would recommend buying Binance Smart Chain on an exchange like Binance or Crypto.com. Anywhere that has the best rates, really, for percentages. Just because when it comes down to it, buying it here, there is a fee. It's more of a convenience factor, there is a fee. I would recommend buying it on an exchange and then transferring it here, which you can easily do by pressing receive. I would like to receive Smart Chain. And now you can copy this wallet address here to receive. And I'm not concerned about this information right here because this is a public Binance Smart Chain wallet address. This is public information. So I'm not concerned about privacy here. But Because if you want to send me Smart Chain BNB, then please be my guest. But we're going to use this test wallet here, and we're going to buy Glow token with Binance Smart Chain. Now, all you have to do is open up D apps. Once you're in D apps, you can find PancakeSwap right here in Popular. Now, if you are on Apple or iOS devices, you'll just need to use Safari and go to pancakeswap.finance, and then you'll be all set. You can just connect your wallet through Trust Wallet on Safari. Now we go to PancakeSwap, and it should open the exchange by default. So you can see the exchange here. And we're going to connect our wallet. You will use Trust Wallet. Connect. Now we need the contract address, which is on the website. You can paste the contract address for Glow in this field, and then you select import. And anyone can create a BEP20 token on Binance Smart Chain. This is just making you aware that if you buy a fake token, you might not be able to sell it back. There might be, you got to be careful what you interact with when it comes to your wallet. So just select I understand and import. And now you can see that our BNB balance is loaded in. So when you're comfortable with the amount of BNB you'd like to spend for Glow, it looks like we're going to get 1.4 billion for this amount of BNB. We'll just select swap, confirm swap. And this is actually a very common error because we did not account for the taxes or the slippage. And in order to account for that, you just got to go to the little gear icon right here to change the settings of the slippage and taxes. And you can come right here and input 20%. This accounts for the 16% tax and any market slippage that might be in the market. Now, let's say if it's only 17% that comes out, then you will not be charged a full 20% tax. It just depends on where the market is, and that's all. So let's go ahead and just exit out of this, because once you change this, it's automatically updated and applied. And now, just for a tip, you can also input decimal, some zeros in the back here, and that will actually help out with the slippage a little bit. It's called the slippage hack. Also try to make more rounded numbers. Perhaps if we actually just go with 1 billion, is 1 billion with 3 zeros at the end as well. Select swap. Confirm the swap. Going to tell you the total fee. There's a network fee of about $2. Approve. Enter your passcode. And the transaction is submitted. So if we exit out of here, we can come right to the wallet. There's been a smart contract call. Now you can see we've spent some of our BNB, but there's no Glow token. What you have to do is you want to search for Glow, and it's not going to come up. But all you have to do is hit Add Custom Token. You select the network to be Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain, and then you paste the contract address for Glow in this field here from the website, glowtoken.online, and it automatically puts the fields for these right here. And then you select Done up here at the top corner. And now you can see that we have a Glow balance. be sure to enable the pegged BEP20 BUSD token as well. This is what Glow token rewards reflections in. BUSD reflections. So now you can easily see it in the Trust wallet along with the BUSD and our amount of Glow here. That is all for this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it, and definitely make sure you click on the notification bell to enable notifications so you never miss a video from Glow. I hope you love the quality of the videos. Please do comment. And thank you very much, everyone. Happy New Year's 2022. Here we come.